These channels claim that you can make thousands of dollars off of posting meditation videos. So, for the last 90 days, I've been posting videos like this. Relaxing content made from music that I found online, along that music that I purchased with Fiverr. But, is this a brilliant money-making hack? Or just a complete waste of time? Well, let's find out. This right here is Positive Vibes, my brand new YouTube channel that I started just a couple months ago. I loop songs from the YouTube audio library ranging from 30 minutes to 8 hours, and I even bought some songs from Fiverr to have some original tunes. So, you might be wondering, why the hell am I doing this? Well, it's all about making it rain. In this world of online business and side hustles, making money on YouTube is something a lot of people desire. In fact, according to recent studies, more kids want to be a YouTuber than an astronaut, which is just insane. Yet while a career on YouTube might be more realistic than getting yourself into space, it's still not quite as easy as it looks. You need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 1 year, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days, which takes a lot of patience and devotion from the start. In fact, the average amount of time it takes for a channel to get monetized is 2 to 3 years on average, and around 170 long-form content uploads. So naturally, it starts getting very tempting to look for the easy way out. And there's one recent particular shortcut that just caught my attention, and that is the meditation niche, man. I don't know why I said it like that, but I like it. There's a lot of self-proclaimed gurus or YouTube experts that claim you can make money on the platform by posting simple meditation videos. Just hours of simple animation or video that you don't even have to be your own, mixed with some free stock videos, or even taking a step further, buying custom music on Fiverr. Look at that little bastard. So you really don't need to be a pro in content creation to start creating videos like this. You don't even need a camera. Easy peasy. And there are a lot of great examples on YouTube that are using this method to make some serious cash. For example, let's take a look at one called Yellow Brick Cinema Relaxing Music. They have 6.2 million subscribers and get at least tens of thousands of views in every single upload. And, if Knox influencer is to be believed, they're making really good money at the same time. So, what I want to know is this. Is it really possible to reproduce this style of content and get a channel monetized right now? Because, from what I can see, while it sounds like a really simple way to make money, a lot of these so-called gurus haven't even tried it themselves. So that's exactly what I did. I set up Positive Vibes music channel with some trippy artwork on October 31st. And next, I need some content. And thanks to the vast number of channels on YouTube, it's very easy to find some inspiration. Now, of course, you can't just steal sounds directly from a channel without getting a copyright claim or strike, but you can look at your compares to see if you can get some ideas to create some sounds of your own. So, I started off by choosing a relaxing thunder and lightning sound. And you can download some royalty-free music from sites like artlist.io. And for music, you can go to the YouTube audio library or to Fiverr to get some music for your videos. So lucky for me, there's the perfect rain and thunder sound in the iMovie library. So all I'm going to do is drag and drop that down in my timeline. And now we need to make this short sound effect last for a whole 8 hours. And all that involves is a lot of copy and pasting. I also add a simple fade transition between the audio and visual clips so it flows seamless. Next, I want to add a royalty-free video from Pexels on top of that audio. I also add a simple fade transition on top of the visual clips so it flows. So now this project's ready to export and upload onto the YouTube channel, but obviously it's 8 hours long, so that takes a really long time. And I mean a really long time. Some of these videos took multiple days to upload, and the amount of time usually depends on the quality of the video. The lower the quality, the faster the upload generally. But also, the work doesn't end here. As we already discussed, to create a successful channel, you need to start racking up views, watch time, and subscribers. If you take a look at metadata channels like Yellow Brick Cinema, you'll see that the title and description is absolutely full of high volume keywords. So that's a strategy that I tried to replicate. Using an extension called vidIQ, I filled the title and description with as many keywords as possible. But I didn't stop there. What if the originality of the song plays a factor? So I went on over to Fiverr and looked up meditation music and found plenty of artists willing to make some custom music. I decided to go with this dude from Berlin I found with hundreds of 5-star reviews. I purchased 3 songs that were an hour each in duration for about $18 after fees. It came with the license and everything, so certainly I'm destined to make it rain. I did the same copy and paste method, making the 1 hour into 3-hour versions, and I even went all out and added a movie montage instead of just looping one video to give viewers something more exciting to watch. So that was what the next 3 months looked like for me. I upload one 30-minute to 8-hour meditation video every single day for the next 90 days. And after hours of rendering and a lot of copy and pasting, it's time to reveal the final results. And quite frankly, it's pretty horrible. Across the 90 days, my Positive Vibes music channel generated a total of 4.9k views and 33 subscribers. The view count wouldn't be so bad if these numbers are a little bit deceiving. My girlfriend felt bad for me, so she had all her friends to subscribe, and then she watched every day to build the hours up. So after some digging and some basic math, I got more of an official count, and that is 184 views and 2 YouTube subscribers. I also got 2 comments during that time, which I was actually pretty stoked on, not gonna lie. And staying on the bright side, you see it's quite easy to start building up the watch time even if your audience only watches a small percentage. But saying that, my top video was Tea Time by Offshane, and it only had 92 views. So what exactly went wrong? Well, I think it's rather obvious making a YouTube meditation channel is not this get-rich-quick scheme that a lot of people make it out to be. At least, not in the short term. The fact is, the entire meditation relaxing sounds niche is very overpopulated. When you have huge channels like Yellow Brick Cinema making the same type of content as you, perhaps even better content, it's very hard to stand out from the crowd. And I've even seen much bigger channels than Yellow Brick Cinema. But even if I did do that, there's a much bigger problem that we need to talk about, or the elephant in the room, should we say. I started hearing some horror stories on new channels getting to the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours only to be demonetized. It seems that YouTube doesn't actually see this type of content as being wholly original content, especially when you're using stock content from the YouTube audio library. So just imagine putting all that time and effort and dedication into make a channel like that become successful, just to find out you can't make any money off it. And to rub it in, YouTube will still run ads on your videos even after you've been demonetized or blacklisted. So, is it really worth the risk? The fact is, YouTube's not a get-rich-quick scheme. So I think you're better off choosing something fun, something that's going to make you happy, than a get-rich-quick money-making opportunity that's not even going to work anyway. For me, I just wanted to get into YouTube and experiment, and in many ways I did learn, as here I am now turning my failed meditation channel into a completely different channel, one that actually may be worth subscribing to. So please do. I love you too. Subscribe. I'll make a follow-up video to analyze any changes if they do happen, but to be honest, I highly doubt it. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.